Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is SRYZNA and today I'll be showing you how to make a face pack using aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule. This mask is easy to make and is really very good for all skin types. You can apply this mask twice a week to get that healthy, radiant and smooth skin. So here, before applying the mask, first I'll be cleaning all my makeup. After cleaning all the dirt and makeup, now I'm going to scrub my face. I prefer scrubbing my face at least once a week as my skin gets too dry in the time of winter. But if your skin is oily, I do recommend to scrub at least twice a week. Now I'm going to apply a toner. Applying a toner regularly is really important to maintain a pH balance of your skin. After soon my toner is dried out, I'll be applying the aloe vera mask, and to make this mask, I just took 1 spoon of aloe vera gel with 1 vitamin E capsule. Here I have used the Palmer's aloe vera gel. You can use any brand of aloe vera gel available nearby you, or you can use fresh aloe vera gel as well. Applying this mask really helps in treating several skin problems such as healing wounds and sunburns, reducing fine line and dark circle around the eyes, reducing wrinkle and treating acne. So now, after keeping a mask for 30 minutes, I will rinse it thoroughly using lukewarm water and will apply my serum, eye cream, moisturizer and lip balm. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, give a big thumbs up and comment down below how your skin feels after applying this mask. And if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. See you soon with brand new video. Till then, stay strong, stay safe. Bye.